Oh my God, you know what? I thought you guys were older. I was going to do a really advanced lesson on algebra. Do you want to try it? I promise it's not going to be too hard, but it's about well, you try it. We'll start and we'll see what happens, okay? Because guys, if you're not looking up here, you're going to be lost. Okay, you have to keep your focus here. You need to promise me one thing, that if I go too fast, if you don't understand something, you put your hand up and say, I don't get it. Stop me, okay? Will you promise me that? Okay, so I'm going to play a game with you guys. Okay? I'm going to hide some blocks in this bag. Close your eyes, please. Okay. There we go. Can everyone see how many blocks are on that chair? Yeah? Yeah? How many on there? Yep. Okay, good. See on this chair, these two chairs here? There's the same number of blocks on these two chairs and this chair. There's the same number here as here. Who can tell me something about the bag? Who can tell me what's in the bag? There's the same number of blocks here and here. What's in the bag? No. Oh, actually, are there 5 in the bag, do you think? No. How many do you think? Yeah? 4. Yeah, exactly. And you know what? I'm really proud of you because you thought about it and you didn't get nervous and you corrected your mistake. That's fantastic. You're going to be a mathematician. Okay? Now, who can tell me what color they are in the bag? Yeah? Green, white. Not quite. Close. Now, you can't tell what color they are, right? But what can you tell? Yep. Yeah, you can tell how many there are in that bag, right? Okay, I'm going to give you a harder one. Close your eyes. Don't peek. You can look now. How many on the chair? Anyone see that? Who hasn't had a turn today? Yep. 6. How many are in the bag? Can you see how many are here? How many are in the bag? Yep. 3 is right. Oh, God, you guys are too clever. I better put a lot more in there. Close your eyes. Okay, you can look. You think about it. How many are in the bag? Can you see how many are on there? It's 8 in case you can't see. There's 8 and 3. Now, if you couldn't add, if you don't know all your subtraction, how could you use your fingers to figure out how many are in here? By counting up from 3. You know there's 8 here. There's 3 here. Who could show me how to count up? Yep. Yeah, 5 is right. Could you show me if you didn't know how to subtract, how you could count? Excellent. If you guys don't know how to subtract fast, you could just count up from these. 3 and then go up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, 5 fingers. That's what's in here. Okay? That makes 8. 3 and then count on 5 more. Okay, now I've got a real challenge for you. You're going to be a bit surprised this time. Close your eyes. Don't peek, please. Okay, open your eyes. What do you notice? I'm going to tell you one hint. There's the same number in each bag. Same number in each bag. How many in each bag? Oh, you guys, I can't trick you with anything. All right, how many?
There are 4 in the bag.
Yeah, there's 4 in the bags. How did you find that out?
Because 4 plus 4 equals 8.
Okay. Close your eyes again, please. So you can look now. This is really tricky. I don't know how you're going to get this. There are the same number in each bag, but it's not the same number as this. Okay, each bag has the same number, but it's not 2. And they give you that. What's missing? What's in each bag? Now, if you don't get it, why not guess some numbers and try it? What if there was 1 in here and 1 in here? Would that work? Would 1 and 1 work? Don't tell me the answer. I know you know the answer. Would 1 and 1 work? Why not?
Because it only count up to the number I had
Yeah, because 1 and 1 plus those two won't make 8, right? What and what plus those two make 8. And actually, you know what? You guys, who told me they didn't want to do grade 7 today? Who told me that? I think you did, right? You're actually doing something called algebra now, which kids do a lot in grade 7 and 8. In fact, I'm going to use a little box to stand for these bags. And here's what we have. We have 8. We've got 8 blocks on here, right? I'm going to draw them. There's 8. Okay? There's 8 blocks. Now here's the chairs. Here's one bag. Here's the other bag. Here's 2 more blocks. Even if you can't figure it out using the bags, who could come up and draw the right number of circles in there, in those boxes, to make 8? Oh, you guys are really clever. Let's see. So you don't want to put 8 in here because you've already got 2. Figure it out. How many will you put in each one? Have you guys figured it out? Put up your hand if you think you know. Oh my God, you guys. Count on 2 more. What do you get? No, 3, 4. What comes after? 5, yeah. So why don't you count up how many more you have to put? 6. There's 6. Keep going. Guys, wait. 6. Keep going. 7. And is that 8? Count them up and see. Make sure. 3. Yeah, keep going. 4, 5, 6. And these 2 guys? 7. Give me a high five. You just did it. Give her a big hand, okay? That's fantastic. Fantastic. Give me a high five. High five. You did great. Okay. Okay, so she put 3 and 3 in each. And here's the 2 more. All right, does someone else want to turn at that, solving the puzzle? Does someone else think they could do that? What I'll do is I'll do 1 more of those before you guys do it on your paper. Okay, so I'm going to put a different number of blocks here. Close your eyes 1 more time, okay? Okay, so there's 10 over here. Everyone look at the blocks, you can figure these out. There's 10 over here. And there's 4 you can see. Okay? How many are in the bags? You want to make 10 altogether. Now who hasn't had a turn today? Put up your hand if you haven't had a turn. If you've never answered a question. Okay, come on up and you show me what you've got. See if you're right, okay, you guys? Excellent. Thank you. Give her a hand. That's fantastic. Thank you. So that gives 10. All right. I think I'd like to give you guys a chance to try this on your paper. Now, do you have a little notebook or some scrap paper you could do this with? A notebook would be great if you've got that. Okay. Okay, I want to show you how I'd like you to answer this. I'm using circles because they're a bit easier to draw, okay, than the squares. Draw the circles. These are balls, okay? And here's the bag or the box. This is what's on this chair, all right? And this equal sign means you need the same number. Guys, I don't think you're all listening. Okay? This equals sign means the number of circles on this side have to be the same as the number of circles over here. These are equal, okay? So someone help me with this first one. How many circles are in there? How many circles do you need in here? Who hasn't had a turn? Yep. How many circles in there? In here. Yeah. Yep. That's right. So here's how I want you to do your answer. Draw the 4 circles inside, okay? Do you understand that? And for every question, that's how I want you to answer it, okay? Draw how many are missing. So I'm going to just change this a bit, and this is question number 1. There you go. That's question number 1. If you're done, make up your own puzzle for me. Excellent. So make up your own. Maybe I'll give you a bonus one over here. How about a super bonus? Can you handle that?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right, this one's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here equals 2 boxes. Now I'm going to make it harder. I'm going to make it 7. and there's 2 boxes plus 1 outside the box. Okay? You got perfect so far. Very good. Now, it's not a race, guys. Take your time. I'm not very fast at math, and I'm also forgetful. I can never remember where I left the brush. But I'm going to put up a couple more here. This time I'm going to do something a bit different. I'm not even going to draw the apples or the balls. I'm going to put numbers up here. This is how many blocks there are. Okay? And this is how many are outside the bag. Let me start with a different number here. 4. And there's 1 outside the bag. You figure out how many. You can put a number or you can draw them if you want. There's 4 blocks. That's the question number. This is question 4. And this is question 5. Okay, if you have any trouble with this one, ask me, but that just... Oops, I made a mistake. Let's see, that's mine. You want me to solve that? Is that an equals there?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, is that right? Oh no, I made a mistake. 5, is that right? That's 3 plus 5 equals 8, am I right? Okay, good. That was a good puzzle. Okay, guys, you guys are doing so well. Did anyone get these with the numbers? Okay, so question 1 is this. Okay, number 1. Number 2, the next 2 are going to be with numbers. Okay, there you go. And if anyone wants to do an extra, here's your bonus. Three, 4. How many are missing? You got it. Perfect. Number 2. What's in there? What would make 5 with that? How many? What number? You got it again. Okay, for perfect, there's your last one. Give yourself a check mark. And did anyone get the bonus? Yep. 2 is right. Whew, good work, guys. Now you're in big trouble. I am going to put up really hard problems now. And you pick whatever ones you want to do, okay? And you try them. Okay, try that one. And here's the last one with 100 in it. All right, I'm going to have to put up one with 1,000. Okay, how you guys doing? Excellent. Well, what's in there? Try guessing some numbers. Guess and try, because you got perfect on your test. You got perfect, right? So I bet you could guess some numbers that might go in there. What might you start with? Yeah, and then count them up. Now if you put 3 in every one, and if it's too high, go lower. Just guess. I bet you could solve it. Keep going on these, okay? Just keep going. But there's one other. I'm going to use 2 different symbols. One is going to be a box, and one is going to be a triangle. And you have to put a different number in each symbol. Okay? Okay, you have to use a different number for each of these. This actually has 2 different solutions. There's 2 possible answers to that, I think. You got an answer. Now I got a challenge for you. Find another one. Did you guess it yet? Let's check. What did you try? What numbers did you try so far? Yeah, 8 is going to be a bit high because 8 plus 8 is 16. So go lower. Use a lower number.
Okay.
Okay? That's an excellent way to do it. Oh, you found 3 ways. I didn't even think of that. Good. Okay, so this is right. Look, you put 2 in each. Let's add them up. 2, 4.
5, 6.
Okay, guys, we have to wrap up now. You got it. You know, someone actually really taught me something today. Can you guys look up here? Let's take up some of these answers. Now, here's a little different one. What goes in these 2 boxes to give 10? At the very back, you guys got all the bonus questions. I don't know why your hand's not up. This one, what gave you 10? Thank you. Okay, this is a killer question. I don't care if you didn't get this one, but did anyone get this with 100? Yeah?
300 plus 300.
Brilliant. And did anyone get an answer to this one with the 2 different numbers? The two different numbers that make with 1 makes 6. Yep. Yeah, you know, that one really tricked me. He used 5 and 0, which I never thought of. That's a good one. I didn't think of that. I told you there were only 2 answers, but there were 3. Did anyone get another pair of numbers that add up to give 6? Yep. 3 plus 2 work. That's good. And did anyone else get a different pair? At the very back? 4 plus what? 1. That's right. Okay, so there were 3 answers to that. Now, guys, I hope you're worn out because I am. You did such good work here. I've seen older kids who can't do that kind of work. You guys you stuck with it and you really tried, and that's very advanced work. I'll show you what happens when you get to grade 7. Okay, I bet you could do a grade 7 question. You ready? Instead of a box, you know what they use in grade 7? They use the letter X quite often. Yeah? Okay, who can solve this one for me? This is just like your box. That's like your box. Something plus 2 equals 5. Yeah, at the very back? Brilliant. 3 is right. X is 3. Who could do this one? Who could do that one? What's X equal to? Yeah? Excellent. X is 2. All right, you've never seen this, and this is a bit unfair. What if I took 1 away from X? Instead of adding, what if I took away 1? What would give me the number 3? What X take away 1 would give me 3? Yep. 4 is right. 4 minus 1 is 3. So now you can do it with subtraction, not just addition. I give up, guys. I can't give you any harder today. So thank you. That was a great class, guys. I'm really proud of you.